Okay, I think you can see that Alameda Dr Carlos de Asuncion, and over there there's a park that's of the same name. There's another park that's on the other side of this as well, and we're kind of in this black and white tiled area. We're gonna just walk straight down that way, and if we get a chance I might try to show you that park, but that's not the goal. The goal is this street right here. Okay. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. There's an overpass right here. This kind of goes over this. This is kind of a, that's Nape. This is called Zape. The Nape area, this is all reclaimed land, but the Nape area is all like cut off. So this giant street, it's giant like four-way street. This is Landmark Casino. Right over there, right here. All this is Landmark Casino. So this whole thing is kind of cut off of this giant road. You just can't really cross it. So I think you do this underground right there and go underneath. You have to go quite a ways down, more than you want to. But yeah, almost everything has to do these overpasses. That one. And then just for reference, at Star World, it's Wynn Casino. So there's some of the Macau casinos here. And yeah, this road kind of cuts off this area called Nape from Zape. And then this Zape area right here is also cut off from the other part with another kind of messy street. So you kind of get these strips of land that's not connected to each other. It's actually, this area is, I don't really enjoy walking around this area as much as other ones. But this area is popular for tourists. It's kind of the lower end part of Macau casinos. Here's Landmark Casino right here, by the way. So the hotels are much cheaper. The hotels on Cotai Strip are quite expensive, and then you kind of have like your own little nightlife stuff, a little bit seedy, but and not really in an interesting way. It's not like Thailand where you see all kinds of interesting stuff. It's just kind of stuff that exists. That's anyways. So this is kind of a giant stretch. It goes all the way down to Casino Lisboa. And over there is Rio Casino, and over here is a park. The park is kind of interesting, but it looks like I can't really get in there anyways. I have filmed it before. It's like it has all these statues of all the ethnic minorities. It's kind of interesting. Like everything is interesting. But I think I'll just focus on this street, on this video, because I've never walked down this one with this camera. Some scaffolding, pretty typical. So you got this kind of ladder that goes up to there. It's actually quite interesting when you really look at these. In the West you might have all ladders, right? But here they'll do construction and different things with scaffolding if they have to get up somewhere like that. Anyways, let's keep on going. Let's see, this is kind of stuff I kind of look at. When I see this stuff I kind of think, oh, okay, mainlander stuff that they want to buy. You know, like these kind of same kind of shirts that I see everywhere. So we're gonna stretch across this way, kind of our main road. Rio Casino down that way. We're gonna keep on walking down this way. Yeah, and then actually there's kind of a giant, I don't know what you call that thing, but there's a giant thing right there. We're gonna walk by that in a minute, and then you can see that too. Yeah, that thing. There's our street right there. There's kind of a underground parking garage right there. Bunch of kids. I think I'll try not to film them if I can avoid it. Actually, I'm going to try to cut across here. So there's all this right here, and I think that this has the same name, Alameda Dr Carlos de Asuncion. So I guess that street right here is connected to this all the way down here as well. Some of these streets, you know, they're basically, there's not really a road, right? It's just all kind of pedestrian, and they'll have some apartments and different things. So I guess that they have the same name as the main street that they're on. So this main street is Alameda. Okay, got a parking garage here. Bailey Beauty Shop, restaurant. So we're almost at the end here. So we'll just go a little bit further. And if I could, I'd try to film. Try to get a little closer to that, I think. So that's where we're at. I'm trying to get a little bit closer. Pedestrians have the right of way, so I can cross over here. I just want to get a little bit closer into that. And also this sign right here. So that's the street that we're on. And we come out to this little circle right here. So yeah, I don't know, this one's kind of interesting. It's kind of a big roundabout in this area. But it's interesting because you also have all that stuff right there too. You know, just kind of this flatness, not flatness, but this sheer drop off of a cliff with buildings and a hospital up there, San Gennaro Hospital. And actually there's a way to get from here to there that I should try to take you on sometime. I don't know if today's the day or not. And that's our street right there. Just try to sneak back across again. Give a little context. There's that street. And then I think we could walk a little bit further. I think I will. I think I'm going to walk a little bit further and just kind of try to give a different context all the way down. And this might be a separate video. And there you go. So this is that giant one right there. And that's the street that we just went on right there.